Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb of Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and, well, as you may notice, compared to yesterday's video, as you just saw, I'm feeling a lot better today. I am not as congested as I was yesterday. But, let's get started here. I'm actually going to school tomorrow, so here, as you all know, is my Hoover Legacy. Now, I put in one of the new Honeywell filter power bags. This is vacuum bags. It's also D something something. It's in Spanish, so I really don't care to read it. This, like I showed you yesterday, guys, actually came with all the attachments. Here's your nice stretchy hose. Oh, and while I'm thinking of it, if any of you out there happen to come across one of these, the older ones are the soft-bagged ones that do not have the tool caddy, but have the tool or the hose port area. Let Vacmaster the Great know. He's actually looking for one, so that'd be well appreciated by me and by him if you just let him know. If you haven't watched Vacmaster the Great's videos, check him out. He's got some great videos. He's got a lot of nice Hoover vacuums like this. But here's the Hoover bags. But, whoever threw this out was actually really nice of them to throw it out. Got a nice cord on it. You can see. Now, I don't see a single nick in the cord at all. Well, I see one here, but it does not go through the casing at all. You should know you got your floor tool, crevice tool, and your dusting brush. To find this in the garbage with all of its attachments, that's a find all itself. As you can see here, this says Hoover cleaning efficiency. It's a 7.5 amp motor, which most motors nowadays are 12 volt engine or motors. Excuse me. The brush roll on this thing is pretty dirty, actually, as you can tell. And here's your extension tube. And I won't run this too long. My stepdad's actually laying down, but just to show you that this works. Gotta get it just right. Brush roll does churn. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little more of a update on this. I will make a run video of it probably tomorrow. I just wanted to give you guys a little more of an in-depth video since I kind of slacked on that yesterday since I wasn't feeling up to it that much of making a video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Speak to you later.